A fair coin is tossed 2 times in succession. How many outcomes are in the sample space? So we have 2 tosses, and there are 2 possible outcomes in the first toss, multiplied by 2 possible outcomes for the second toss. So this is 4 possible outcomes in the sample space. Number 10 wants us to list these. So this would be heads heads, heads tails, tails heads, and tails tails. Number 11 says, find the probability of getting 2 tails. So that is 1 outcome out of the 4 total outcomes. So that is 1 out of 4. Part B says the same outcome on each toss. So that would be getting heads heads and tails tails. So that is 2 out of 4 for my probability, which reduces to 1 over 2. And then part C says at least 1 head. So at least 1 would be tails heads, heads tails, and heads heads. So this is a 3 out of 4 chance.